Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the field, understanding key maintenance practices is crucial for optimal performance and longevity of your vertical line shaft turbine. Let's start with replacing components while minimizing any changes to your above ground piping. When it's time to swap out parts or upgrade an existing installation, you want to replace all the items except for the discharge head. Why? Because the discharge head serves as the anchor point, ensuring the alignment and integrity of the entire system. By leaving it untouched, you maintain the precise positioning of the pipe above ground, preventing any misalignment or structural issues. Regular maintenance is the heartbeat of any reliable system. When servicing an installation, make sure to check motor amps diligently. Monitoring amperage levels allows you to gauge the motor's workload and detect any anomalies. Ideally, you want to ensure optimal performance without any unnecessary strain. Keeping an eye on motor amps ensures your system is running smoothly and nothing is dragging or causing undue stress. By following these simple practices, replacing items strategically and routinely servicing, you'll not only extend the life of your Franklin Electric vertical line shaft turbine, but also maintain optimal performance.